In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trust Wallet to PayPal. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use PayPal within Trust Wallet. Keep in mind that for this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to buy crypto using PayPal. There is no way to actually connect PayPal directly to Trust Wallet and exchange currency between both. So you can't simply withdraw from Trust Wallet to PayPal. According to my research, PayPal is only natively available when buying. Of course, if you want to withdraw the money that you have on your Trust Wallet to PayPal, what you will have to do is exchange it to an intermediary so you can send it to another exchange wallet, or try to withdraw it to a bank account and then send it from that bank account into PayPal. But you cannot directly transfer from Trust Wallet into PayPal. Keep that in mind. So this is why I'm going to be teaching you how to buy using PayPal. So from the home screen of the app, you tap on the option to buy and you specify the amount that you want to buy. You can either specify the amount in your own local currency or specify the amount in the crypto asset that you want. So for example, if you want $100 worth of Bitcoin, or if you want a specific amount of the asset. Then what you have to do is tap on the payment method available here. So there are going to be plenty of payment methods. PayPal will not be apparent right away. What you have to do is switch to digital wallet. When you switch to digital wallet, then MoonPay PayPal is going to appear. So essentially, they are going to be using the MoonPay service, but it is connected to PayPal. So you will be able to pay using your PayPal account, but they have to use the MoonPay service first. So just look under digital wallet and PayPal will be available. Now you will see this message, pay with PayPal. You can confirm the amount and then choose the option to buy. You will sign into your account and finish making this purchase. And as I've warned before, there is no option to withdraw directly to PayPal. So if that's the goal that you want to achieve, you have to transfer it to an intermediary and then deposit from that intermediary, like a bank account, into PayPal. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Trust Wallet to PayPal. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.